Hi everybody. Today I am going to show you how to handle discrete general distribution, as well how to simulate the average profit for the 12 months, next 12 months, if I have discrete and uniformly distributed price, selling price, as well if I have the profit margin, and also if I have the fixed cost, then how to handle all this at an end to create average profit for the next 12 months. So in this case I am taking an example, a car industry having demand of tire for the past 60 months. So what are the demands? Here in this table we can see 350, 370, 390, 410, 430 and 450. And there is frequencies 3, 6, 12, 18, 15, 6 and 10. So if I want to find the probability, then I have to divide this 3 by 60. So I got 0.05. Same way I get all these probabilities 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.25, 0.1. And at an end we have to check all this probability adding, it must be equal to 1. As well, here it is given a random number of intervals like 0 to 5, 6 to 15, 16 to 35, 36 to 65, so 0 to 99. And expected demand formula, we know summation of demand into probability. As well, here there is a profit formula, how to find it. So let's move other worksheets to see how we can do that. So these are the tables already we have seen. Only the things I changed here, there was probability, I calculated the cumulative probability, and random number interval, it is same as 0 to 99. And another thing, this table I made from this, like selling price, if I look at here, selling price, it is showing here 60 to 76. That's what I have written here, 60 to 76. Again, profit margin follows a continuous uniform distribution. This is very important point to mark it, because we will use formula in Excel according to this. It is 20% and 30%. So what we can write 0.2 and 0.3. As well, we have here fixed cost 2500. That's what I have written here. So this is also a table now. Now what we will do? We'll make a table having 12 months. So what I'll do, suppose I just want to remove this line, because I'll show you. I will remove this line. So gone. Now here it is month. It is month, but I want to write here 12 months to get the annual reports. So what I'll do, for one, I'll go here, take fill, series. So select column, put here 12, press OK. You got 12 right away. You got 12 months. Now here in this table I put in two columns, random number 1, random number 2. Here this random number 1, I want to generate random integer number between 0 and 99. That's why I put here this formula, rand between 0 99, 0 99. So I want to put here 12 numbers, random numbers. So this is the formula I used, rand between, to create integer number. Now for other all numbers, already this is generated, so I am putting here, double click, so all are generated. And if you look at the numbers, integer number, you see all are within this range 0 to 99. So this is done. Now for the demand. Suppose demand I have to use lookup formula. What I'll do? Lookup. You look at this 90. Because I want to put here value, just here 92. So according to this 92, here what will be the value? 68, what will be the value here in demand? 38, what will be the value here? So I have to use this formula, lookup formula. Lookup formula means this I look, so I put I4. Then I have to select this 36, where I can get. 36 is here. Always we have to select from the lower bound. 36 is here. So I have to use this full range. That's what it is done. Full range. E4 to E9. This is E, this is 4, this is 9. So E4 to E9. Then comma. Then I have to look at this because demand I want this. So this is B4 to 9. So B4 to 9. But make sure it is locked with dollars. Use function F4. So you get this. Now for all other value, I will just click twice. So I got this value. So this is the value I already got. So look at, you can compare it right now. Suppose here you have 63. Look at anyone, say 86. 86 in between this 450. I mean here 86 in between this. So it is 430. Look at 20. 390 it is showing. 20 means where? In between this 390. So all the value, I mean these values are generated. Now we'll go for the selling price. What is selling price? Selling price, it is rand between. So rand between, it is integer number. So here this selling price, this is rand between what? This ran between, it will be, this is the selling price, so it should be between these two. So this is what? E13, E12. Look at E13, E12. So this is the value I have, E13, E12. So I need here selling price, random numbers in between these two. So already I created here using the formula rand between, because for creating the integer numbers we have to write rand between this and this. So here this is 61. Now I have to click twice, so I got this. You see here all the value I got. And if you look at 60, 76, our all values are within this range, 60 to 76. Now next we want this profit margin. So for getting profit margin, I have to create random numbers. These random numbers, it is in between 0 and 1. So whenever we need random numbers in between 0 and 1, we just write only rand this brackets. So it is generated with this formula. Now if I click here twice, I got all the random numbers because I will use this random number to find the profit margin. So this random number I got because our profit margin is, I am reading that line again, it is continuous uniform distribution. For continuous uniform distribution, our formula is A plus B minus A into rand. This is the formula. A plus B minus A means these two values. One is A, one is B. So here, if you look at this is A. A means 15, E15, then plus B minus A. This is B minus A. B means 14, E14, E15, B minus A. Multiplied by this random 0 to 1. This is probability. It is here. This one. So we got this 22.86%. And make sure that's the 22.82. It is in between 0.2 and 0.3. Now I want to get for 12 months. So I'll click here twice. I get all the values. This is what? This is in between 20% and 30%. Look at within this range. This is profit margin. This one, it is nothing but using the formula this one. Profit equal to selling price into profit margin into demand minus fixed cost. So let's go to the sheet. Profit margin, it is equal to K4. K4 means this selling price. M4 means profit margin. J4 means demand, minus of D16 fixed cost, this one. So we get this, just simple formula. Already formula was here, I showed you already, formula is here. Now if we click here twice, we get this all the values. So for 12 months, for each month 5,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 different values are here. Once we add this, we get annual profit. This is for 1 year. We are not happy with having only the annual profit for 1 year. I want to replicate. Replication of 1,000 times. 1,000 years. So what I will do? I will create now another table. Here, replication of 1. I will remove all this in the down up to 1,000. All I will remove. See, up to 1,000. I remove this. All gone. Up to 1,000. All gone. So I have one here. Replication. Already explained how to get 1,000 serials. 1,000 months. So I'll go here. I'll take field. I'll go for serial. Series. Then column. Put here 1,000. Maybe I did not highlight it properly. Anyway, this one, I selected this one. I am going for this. This is column. This is 1,000. Now I am putting OK. See, all gone. This is up to 1,000. See how far we go, up to 1,000. This number is there. So anyway, I am not going up to end, so I am stopping here. Now the annual profit, this annual profit, this I brought, because annual profit I brought it here. That's why it is showing cell number N16. N16 cell number I brought it here. Now I want to generate this annual profit against this all replication number up to 1,000 here. So how to do that? I have to go this data, then from what if analysis I have to bring this data table. It is very important things. As it is a column, I am selecting the column. Now before that I forgot to do one thing. Just I am removing this. I have to highlight this up to 1,000. I have to select. I forgot to do that. So how to do that? I am doing it right now. So I selected up to 1,000 because this is essential first doing the data table. So I selected. Now I will go here. Now it will work. This is data table. Here click on column because you are creating column. So here column input cell. Here you can select any column. That's what the Excel procedure like that. You select any column. So column input cell selected. Now if I click OK, but it will take some time, then it will create the 1,000 annual profit. It is generating now. It takes some time. See, already generated 1,000 profit, and most of the profit are very close here. Now I got all the profit, but I need average of all these 1,000 profits. 1,000 annual profit average I need here. So what I will do, I will remove this now. So here I will put equal to average. Say I put here average. Average I put. Now it is asking me number 1, number 2, number 3. So I have to select 1000 numbers. So what I'll do, I will just click here. Then I will select all down up to 1000. You see, up to 1000 all I selected. Now 1000 value I selected. Now if I close I closed it. Now I press enter. See here, I got this. This is the average of thousands annual profit. Average of 1000 annual profit. This value 53,067.90. So now here, so we got this average of thousands annual profit. So here I can use scenario manager. What is that? If I go data, then what if analysis, then scenario manager. I click on it. So I am removing this. I don't need this. Okay. Now as you can see here, for this annual profit 53,126.69, this value I got when I assume that my let's first put here name, then other things will come. I put the name S1, and here I will put the cell these two I have to put cell for these two. Selling price I assumed 76 and 60, that's why I got this annual profit. So I am selecting these two, so it is selected, and keep this tick as it is, prevent changes. So okay, now here I want to put new value because already with this value I got this annual profit. So I am taking this, say here, okay, say here I am putting 86. Here I am checking 50. I put 50. So with this value, before it was 76 and 60. Now I put 86 and 50. So I want to see what is the annual profit comes for this scenario. So press OK. Now I need summary. For what? For this annual profit. So I am removing this and just selecting this again. It will come with $sign, so it is good. Now press OK. See, I got this. Because before I had 76 and 60, it was 53,000. Now I got this by 86 and 50. Different value I put, but annual profit very close. Very, very close. Because average more or less is very close. Now I'm going for these values, profit margin. So I'll bring scenario manager again and putting another name S2. S2 and in state 1213 I want to put this profit margin. So what I'll do, I will remove this, I will press this too. So it is done. Now selected profit margin and keeping prevent changes as it is. So let's move ahead, and here it is showing 0.3 and 0.2. Suppose I want to change this, say 0.5, and this one 0.15. So now what it comes, let's move and see. So it will be for S2. So we'll go for summary, but for which annual profit? For this one. So I'll take again, I remove this, I click this, it came already. Now okay. See, I got it. So if you look at, you see S1, S2, this was our previous value. Now with the S2 0.5 and 0.15, as well 0.3 and 0.2. So more or less it looks very close, very, very close. I mean, it is looks same. 53 1 to 6.69, 53 1 to 6.69. So we got the scenario summary. So that's all for today.